Good night. Food steep through milk cake. Good girl heard a brain to stick by steep 3 milk and hope you like it. 3 milk cake. 5 egg. 1/2 cup sugar. 3/4 cup flour. 2 teaspoon baking powder. 5 tablespoons of milk. Almond milk. 1 cup of evaporated milk. 1 cup condensed milk. 1 cup heavy cream. Step 1. Separate the whites and yolks in different bowls. Step 2. Whisk egg yolks white sugar until the color is pale yellow. Step 3. Add the sifted flour with the royal. Step 4. Add the milk stirring constantly. Step 5. Whisk the egg whites until stiff. Step 6. Add inch and surrounding flour to the even mixture. Step 7. Grease it and flour to 8-inch mold and pour half of the mixture into a mold. Bake up 315 eggs for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on the oven or cooking may be prepared for nice. Check for donuts by the deck stick. Step 8. Shows the cakes from the oven and blend cold slightly. Then and very carefully on molds as they are very spongy, and put into the molds of the new plastic. Bake and put up the cake. Step 9. Entire cake spread. Whack up the stick and fork. Pierce the whole cake well. The 2 cakes. This is the end of recipe. Thank you.